Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make music sound like it's coming from another room in Capcut. So, let's get started. First, open your Capcut application. Next, click on New Project and select a specific video that has the music you want to edit. Once the video is added, tap on it to access its settings. Now you need to extract the audio from the video. Look for the Extract Audio option at the bottom of the screen. After you click Extract Audio, the app will take a moment to process and extract the audio from your selected video. Once the extraction is complete, click on the audio timeline to edit the extracted sound. Next, look for the Voice Effects button, which is the fourth option in the menu. Click on it. Here, you'll find several voice effect categories such as Basic, Funny, Synth, and Retro. Select the Retro category. In the Retro section, you'll see an effect called Makeup 1 in the third position. Click on it, and that's it. This will apply the desired Marvel-like effect to your audio. You can use this effect on any music, voice, or sound you choose. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel, so I can keep making more videos like this.